Hi students, welcome to maths class. In this section we are studying about complex numbers. What do you mean by complex numbers? What is a complex number? Remember that a number of the form z equal to a plus ib. A number of the form z equal to a plus ib is said to be a complex number. Remember that a and b belongs to set of real numbers. Okay, and I here is a I means iota. Iota is a Greek letter. Okay, I is equal to root of -1. Okay, what is a complex number? A complex number means a number of the form z equal to a plus ib, where a and b are belongs to the set of real numbers and I equal to root -1. This is called a complex number. Okay, and this z equal to a plus ib. This z equal to a plus ib can be denoted by using this symbol a b. This means complex number a plus ib. Okay, first part is the real part and the second part is the imaginary part. Here real part of z equal to, that is real part of z equal to a and imaginary part of z equal to b. Okay, what is a complex number? A number of the form z equal to a plus ib, where a and b belongs to the set of real numbers and I equal to root -1. Z can be written as z equal to a plus ib. That can be denoted by a comma b. Okay, remember that real part of z is a and imaginary part of z is b. Okay, now the set of complex numbers is denoted by capital letter C. Okay, now we can study addition of two complex numbers. How to add two complex numbers? How to add two complex numbers? Let us assume that z1 equal to x1 plus iy1, or this can be written as x1 y1. Okay, z1 equal to x1 plus iy1 and z2 equal to x2 plus iy2, or this can be written as x2 y2. Then we want to find out z1 plus z2. How to find out z1 plus z2? Very simple. x1 plus iy1 plus x2 plus iy2, that is equal to, we are grouping x1 and x2, x1 plus x2 plus I into, two terms are here, y1 and y2, I into y1 plus y2. Okay, therefore this is of the form x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2, that is equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. Therefore addition of two complex numbers is here. Remember that z1 plus z2 is equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. For example, remember that here is addition of two complex numbers. z1 is x1 plus iy1 and z2 is x2 plus iy2. Then z1 plus z2 is equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2. Okay, for example, z1 equal to 5 plus 3i and z2 equal to 3 plus 4i. Two complex numbers. First one is 5 plus 3i and the second one is z2 equal to 3 plus 4i. Then Z1 plus Z2 equal to 5 plus 3i plus 3 plus 4i. That is, this 5 and 3 we can add, that is equal to 8 plus 3i plus 4i, that is equal to 7i. Okay. Here 5 plus 3i can be written as 5, 3 and 3 plus 4i can be written as 3, 4. Then Z1 plus Z2 is equal to 8, 7. Okay. This is the best example for addition of two complex numbers. Next, we are going to studying about multiplication of two complex numbers. How to multiply two complex numbers. Please write down. This is an example for addition of two complex numbers. Next one is multiplication of two complex numbers. Listen. How to multiply two complex numbers? Suppose that our first number is Z1, that is x1 plus iy1, and second number is Z2, x2 plus iy2. Then we can find out Z1 into Z2 equal to, that is Z1 x1 plus iy1 into Z2 x2 plus iy2. Okay, that is equal to x1 into x2 plus iy2 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. Okay, which is equal to x1 into x2 plus iy2 is x1 into x2 x2 plus I into x1 by 2 plus I into y1 into x2 can be written as x2 y1. Next, the last one is I y1 into I y2. Remember that I into I is I square. Remember that I square is minus 1. Okay. Therefore, I into I square, that is minus of y1 into y2. y1 into y2. Now we can write this one as group group imaginary part one group other part one group then x1 x2 minus y1 y2, this is one group, plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. Okay, x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. Okay, x2 y1, that is, this can be written as x1 x2 minus y1 y2 comma x1 y2 plus x2 y1. Okay, this is our final answer. Okay, remember that multiplication of two complex numbers, first one is x1 plus y1, that can be written as x1 y1, and second complex number is x2 plus iy2, that is x2y2. Now we are going to find out the product of two complex numbers, z1 into z2, that is equal to x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. First multiply with the x1, second multiply with the iy1. Remember that I into I, that is I square is minus 1. Therefore, it will become x1 x2 plus I x1 by 2 plus I x2 y1 minus y1 by 2. That is, we are grouping. First one is real part of the complex number and the second one is the imaginary part of the complex number. Then the final answer is x1 x2 minus y1 by 2 comma x1 by 2 plus x2 y1. Okay, this is the multiplication of two complex numbers. Please write down on your notebook. In this section we are studying multiplicative of inverse of any non-zero complex number. Okay, we are finding out the inverse of any non-zero complex number. Suppose that z equal to a plus ib. Suppose that z equal to a plus ib. Then z inverse is equal to 1 by a plus ib. Okay. Suppose that z is a non-zero complex number, z equal to a plus ib. Then we want to find out z inverse. Z inverse is equal to 1 by a plus ib. Okay. Then this can be written as that is equal to 1 by a plus ib into a minus ib divided by a minus ib. We are multiplying both sides with a minus ib. Then remember that what is 1 into a minus ib? That is a minus ib divided by a plus ib into a minus ib. That is a square minus ib the whole square. Okay, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. We know that a square minus b square. But remember that here is a square minus I into b the whole square. What is I into b the whole square is equal to I square into b square. That is equal to what is I square? Minus 1. Minus 1 into b square. Remember that ib the whole square is minus b square. Therefore, this will become a minus ib divided by a square minus b square. That is equal to a minus ib divided by a square plus b square. That is equal to a by a square plus b square minus I into b by a square plus b square. Okay, that is the multiplication of inverse of any non-zero complex number. Therefore, remember that. Therefore, we can write z equal to, we can write z inverse equal to a by a square plus b square comma minus b by a square plus b square. That is our final answer. Remember that if z is a non-zero complex number, then z inverse can be calculated by using the equation a by a square plus b square comma minus b by a square plus b square. Okay, what the idea? Please write down on your notebook. Here we are finding out multiplicative of inverse of any non-zero complex number. That is z inverse is equal to a by a square plus b square comma minus b by a square plus b square. Please write down on your notebook. Next one is division by a non-zero complex number. Division by a non-zero complex number. Next section is division by a non-zero complex number. That is, let z1 equal to x1 y1 and z2 equal to x2 y2. Remember that z2 not equal to 0. Okay, z1 equal to x1 y1, z2 equal to x2 y2. Remember that z2 not equal to 0. Now we are going to find out the value of z1 by z2. z1 by z2. That is division by another non-zero complex number. z1 by z2 equal to x1 plus iy1 divided by x2 plus iy2. x1 plus iy1 divided by x2 plus iy2, that is z1 by z2. Then multiplying the numerator and denominator by into x2 minus iy2 divided by x2 minus iy2. Okay, multiply with the x2 minus iy2 on both the numerator and denominator. Then the numerator will become x1 plus iy1 into x2 minus iy2 divided by x2 plus iy2 into x2 minus iy2, that is a plus b into a minus b form, that is equal to x2 square minus iy2 the whole square. What is I square? I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into y2 square, that is minus into minus, that will become plus. Therefore, this can be written as plus y2 square. Okay, this is how z1 divided by z2. Okay, z1 divided by z2 can be calculated by using this equation. Very important. Okay, our equation is x1 plus iy1 into x2 minus iy2 divided by x2 square plus y2 square. Remember that here z1 is x1 y1 and z2 is x2 y2. And another important thing is z2 is not equal to 0. Therefore, z1 by z2 can be calculated by using this equation. Okay, please write down on your notebook. Next, we can do some problems. Our next question is evaluate the following. Evaluate 1 by 2 minus 3i into 1 by 1 plus I. We want to evaluate it. How to do it? This can be written as this is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 2 minus 3i into 1 plus I, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1 plus I minus 3i into 1 plus I. Okay, we want to find out 1 by 2 minus 3i into 1 plus I. This can be written as 2 into 1 plus I minus 3i into 1 plus I. That is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into I, 2i. Next, minus 3i into 1, minus 3i. Next one is minus 3i into I. Look at that, minus 3i into I. That is equal to minus 3 into I square. That is equal to minus 3 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 3. Okay, remember that here is minus 3i into I, that is minus 3 into I is I square. Minus 3 into I square means minus 1. Therefore, minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Therefore, our last term is plus 3. Plus 3. That is our last term. Therefore, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 is 5. 2i minus 3i is minus I. Okay. Therefore, we get 1 by 5 minus I. But we want to convert this equation into the form a plus ib. For getting the form a plus ib, we multiply the numerator and the denominator with 5 plus I divided by 5 plus I, which is equal to, what is 1 into 5 plus I? Answer is 5 plus I divided by a minus b into a plus b4. that is 5 square minus I square. What is I square? I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus, that will become plus 1. That will become plus 1. 5 square plus 1, that is equal to 5 plus I divided by 25 plus 1, that is 26. Therefore, the final answer is 5 by 26 plus I into 1 by 26. This is our final answer. Okay. We are evaluating the value of 1 by 2 minus 3i into 1 by 1 plus I. Final answer is, when we are doing, we get 1 by 5 minus I, then multiply numerator and denominator with the 5 plus I, then we will get 5 by 26 plus I into 1 by 26. This is our final answer. Please write down on your notebook. Okay, now we can move to our next question. Before that, we want to write some equations. We know that A plus IB into C plus ID equal to AC minus BD, comma, AD plus BC. Okay. That is A plus IB into C plus ID, AC minus BD, comma, here is I into, that means AD plus BC. Okay. Now we can do a problem. Our question is, evaluate 3 1 into 3 minus 1 into 1 by 5 comma 1 by 10. Okay, this is our question. Evaluate 3 1. 3 1 means 3 plus I. 3 minus 1 means 3 minus I. 1 by 5 comma 1 by 10 means 1 by 5 plus I into 1 by 10. Okay. First we can find out the value of this one. 3 1 into 3 minus 1. 3 1 into 3 minus 1. Using this equation, first we want A into C. AC. Here A into C is 3 into 3. That is 9. Minus. Next we want B into D. Minus B into D. That is minus of 1 into minus 1. Minus of 1 into minus 1. That will become plus 1. Okay, comma. Next we want A into D. A into D. That is 3 into minus 1. That is equal to minus 3. Plus B into C. B into C. That is 1 into 3. That is plus 3. This is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is 10, comma, minus 3 plus 3 is 0. Okay. We get our first result is, this one is equal to 10 0. Then we obtain this value. This value, which is equal to 10 0. Next, 10 0 into 1 by 5 comma 1 by 10, which is equal to, first we want A into C. A into C. Here A is 10, C is 1 by 5. That is 10 into 1 by 5 minus B into D. B into D. Here is 0 into 1 by 10. That is 0, comma. Next one is A into D. What is our A? 10 into 1 by 10. 10 into 1 by 10. Next, plus b into c, that is 0 into 1 by 5, that is equal to 0. Therefore, my answer is 10 into 1 by 5 is 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2, comma 10 into 1 by 10 is 1 plus 0 is 1. Therefore, our final answer is 2 1. Remember that a plus ib into c plus id is equal to ac minus bd plus ad plus bc. Using this equation, we are evaluating the value of 3 1 3 minus 1 into 1 by 5 1 by 10. First, we may find out 3 1 3 minus 1, that is equal to 10 0. Then 10 0 into 1 by 5 1 by 10, that is equal to 10 into 1 by 5 minus 0, comma 10 into 1 by 10 plus 0, that is equal to 2 1. That is our final answer. Please write down on your notebook. If you have any doubt, then please write in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel.